Now it's time for our keynote on reimagining scalability and utility of Web3. Please join me in welcoming Alep P, founder of GTON Capital.
Can you hear me? Say yes. 1 second. Yeah, I'm Alep P, the founder of GTON Capital and a blockchain engineer as well. And today I'm going to talk about how the Web3 infrastructure and metaverse infrastructure can be scaled. I have some issue with the presentation right now. Yes, it started. So, what we're building? We're building the infrastructure for Metaverse and Web3. And here's the website, you can find it. And before I'll start, first of all, everything I'll say is not financial advice. Do your own research. Investments in cryptocurrency are risky, and you know it. I will start from the person who is inspiring me since many years. And you probably know this person. It's Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. And this person is inspiring me because, you know, a few years ago, the Dubai was a desert. And right now, it's innovation hub of the world, right? Not only Middle East. So he said that the future belongs to those who can imagine, design, and execute, rather than just wait. So we have to create the future. And, sorry. Okay, the future becomes more and more complex. The global economy become more complex. So the technologies to handle this must be automated and efficient, right? We need automation and security. So, again, issues. Okay, the technology which is handled this must be automated and secure. And I have technical issues today, a lot of them.
Alep, that's okay. Take your time and we'll have somebody help you with those technical issues with your presentation.
Yes. So let's speak about, you know, another stuff.
If you want, we can open the floor to a couple of questions before your presentation. How do you feel about that?
Thank you so much.
Who has a question for Alep while we sort out his presentation?
I think I can continue.
Okay.
Thank you. So to handle this, the global economy growing, etc., we have to have the technology which is efficient, right, and automated. The technology which is handled that is blockchain technology, and as a part of the technology, smart contracts. Smart contracts, unlike of traditional contracts, those are autonomous programs and automated programs running on thousands of machines in parallel. And the combination of smart contracts where people are interacting with, those are decentralized applications. So unlike traditional applications where user data and execution is happening within the centralized server or the server clusters, and those clusters belongs to corporation, so it's, you know, under the censorship from those corporations. Decentralized applications, those are running in parallel on the thousands of machines, reaching consensus. And despite it sounds complicated, people are interacting with decentralized applications in the same way how they are doing with the classical web or mobile applications. Applications for trading, investing, shopping, renting, or gaming, those are eventually become dApps of the near future. Those applications, decentralized applications, those are borderless. So anyone from any point of the world is able to use that. Those are most often are not censorships. And the human population is growing, right? So the technology which is handle this complexity must be scalable. You see how it's growing, how the population is growing. Also, the technology cannot be used if it's not convenient for users. It has to be as easy to use as classical applications, mobile wallets, or credit cards are using. And the last one, security. If applications are not secure, people will not use it. So right now, the technology which is basically mostly used for the decentralized applications and Web3 is Ethereum. Ethereum is scaling via rollups. If you look at the Ethereum itself, it is pretty popular chain at the moment. There are a lot of users, and the more users we have, the more transaction costs, and we have limits in terms of transactions per second. Ethereum is scaling by rollups. The combination of different rollups is able to bring millions of transactions per second. Some rollups can be app-specific, some generic-specific. This is a technology to scale Ethereum itself. And the thing is, the most important thing for rollups, and this is important because some people don't understand the difference between another layer ones and rollups. The key idea of rollups is that rollups are relying on the security of Ethereum itself. Those are basically parallel chains which are anchoring by special cryptography into the main chain. So then you have something on rollup, it will be on the mainnet of Ethereum with the same cryptography. Here we have GTON protocol, right? What we are building? First of all, we are building rollup. And the key feature of the rollup is the stablecoin. The stablecoin is using as a native currency for the rollup. Then users are using decentralized network, they are paying fees for that. Otherwise, there will be spam. So they are spending used to Ethereum or other currencies. We are suggesting to use GTON stablecoin as a payment currency for rollup. How the stablecoin works? We have centralized stablecoins, which are basically the tokenized cash on the bank accounts. The centralized stablecoin works according to different principles. It's using crypto collateral and multi-collateral approach, which means that to issue $100 stablecoin, you have to lock on the smart contract $150 value of the cryptocurrency. For example, Ethereum, GTON governance token, or another liquid currency like wrapped Bitcoin or tokenized gold. Then you've done your transactions. You are using the stablecoin to operate on rollup. You are trading NFTs. You are doing transactions. You can easily redeem your collateral back. If you lock 10 Ethereum, after some time, you can easily redeem your 10 Ethereum back. Despite the fact it can grow up or can go down, you can redeem it. So this is how decentralized stablecoin works. And then we have rollup. Then we have stablecoin. People are using rollup, spending stablecoin. We have GTON staking protocol to capture the value from the usage of the infrastructure. So the more users we have, the more value system is generating. This is why we have ecosystem rewards as for builders, for contributors, and for stakers. Again, we have rollups, stablecoin, and staking protocol. Rollups are using stablecoin as a gas currency, as a transaction currency. More users spending stablecoin generating more value to the treasury, which is staking protocol. And the more we have users in the staking protocol, the more liquidity and the governance power we have for stablecoin itself. This is how it works. And here we are introducing the GTON ecosystem. What it is? dApps which are running on the rollup and utilizing the stablecoin as a currency is actually representing the ecosystem of products on top of GTON rollup. Those applications can be from real-verse, the applications like move to earn, run to earn, do something to earn, learn to earn. Those applications are connecting the crypto with the real world, or metaverse, which is basically VR or AR applications. All of them are using the same or can use the same platform as a background. The future is here already, and we are making it efficient and automated by creating a new generation of digital capital. We are GTON Capital. We are looking for projects which are looking for platform to be launched on. What we are offering? We are offering free security audit for the smart contracts of the projects who is running on the rollup. Thank you so much. We have a booth outside. If you have any questions, including technical questions, or if you are building your application, please welcome. We'll answer any questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Do we have any questions from the audience for Alexei? Certainly there's a question or two. No?
Don't
Okay,
hesitate.
I'm sure you'll have some visits to your booth, Alexei.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.